Hello guys, we're back to some more videos, and today we are we are going to play Abby. So anyways guys, I'm now going to speed run, and she's so fast. How can I beat this game? I'm now going to cheat with this game. So anyways guys, no, she's so fast. She's so fast. No. Okay guys, so anyways guys, if you want to see my videos, so make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, I'm trying to upload it because it kinda sucks. I hate it before it's not hard, it's easy. I like easy. I like easy mode and not no hard. No hard at all. Okay guys, so anyways guys, I'm now going to slide. I'm now going to slide again. So anyways guys, I'm now going to this game. Beat. Okay, I only got stage 7. Collect 100% for this stage. Okay, 108. Come on, 109, please. 109. Okay, so anyways guys, it's so hard, but it's now easy. This the easy mode ever. I don't like the obby of lava. I don't like the obby of lava. Only the obby, I guess. Oh, anyways guys, I just beat this game. Golden obby. So we're going to beat this game, guys. So anyways guys, I'm not going to beat this game. What is the girl doing, guys? Why is it AFK? AFK one means to be. Anyways guys, I'm not going to beat this game. So we're at 13th stage. So anyways guys, we're good. I'm not gonna touch the laser, the big laser, I guess. So I'm not going to beat this game, guys. Oh my goodness. You know what? How? Bro, why does my mom look silly? Also guys, my mom looks terrible, I guess. So anyways guys, only got 17. Give me 17. Only 18, please. Poop. Do not touch it. Yes. No. And also, wait, I forgot. You know that's okay. Come on, 15, 20. Come on, come on. You need to collect 10 stickers. So, anyways, guys, you need to collect 100 stickers, guys. Come on, stay able to do. Oh, oh my goodness! Stop! Stop! What? Come on, I need to beat you. Come on, I need to beat you. Come on, I need only got 21. Come on, please. Oh my goodness! Come on, 22. Oh, Masana. Masana. Oh! Come on, you should be able to do this. What? You dumb. Come on! Come on. 24! 24. Mana. Come on, just go. Let's go. Oh my god, stop. Come on, I need to beat this game. Come on. I should might able to do this. I should might able to do this. Come on, I should beat this game. Come on, 26. Come on, go. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I'm now going to beat this game. What's that game? What's that? Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I'm now going to beat this game. I only got 27, 28. Come on, I need to beat this. I wanna eat this. Come on. This could be the long video. We show this. What the heck? Okay. Okay, what's up? Okay guys, so we're going to bounce, but it's still be the Spider-Man again. So we're going to just collect the stage before because I'm not good at this game. So we need to touch it. Okay, so 32. That's good. That's really the coolest thing ever. So I want it. I just click favorite, I think. Okay guys, so anyways guys, I'm now going to jump very faster. So look at me. I'm running very fast. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm a genius. 35. I'm a genius. Hey yo, I'm a genius guys. Do not die, okay? If I die then I'm going to skip without the video thing, okay? We should jump. We should jump I guess, okay guys? What's that? What's that thing? What? Come on, we should beat this game. So anyways guys, I'm not going to beat this. I know how to play. This called then Valentine's Obby. So that is new. Boy, what is that? It's the heart of it. It's the heart of it, guys. So anyways guys, this is the Valentine. Let me show the Valentine. So this is the heart. Oh, you should be able to do this. No. Dang, miss. Oh my goodness. 42. 42. Give me, give me that. Okay, so only got 43. We need to collect 100 stage. Ooh, 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 my goodness. I'm a genius, guys. Okay, we should just able to do this. Okay, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to keep on more jumping for now. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to step on this super stairs. I'm not going to step and look at this. Look at this. It's a step on invisible stairs. It's not. I don't know what to talk about this. I don't know what to talk about this. So this is the coolest game ever. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to. The coolest hobby in the world. The coolest heart hobby in the world, guys. Before there's so many pink clouds. Before that, this is the earth that is showed with the pink, guys. The pink is the earth. This is the pink earth in the world. Okay, only got 50. Mm, 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 mm. Oh my goodness. 51. Okay, let's go. Come on, we should able to speed run. We should speed run this. What's that? It's not a cat. Look at me. Look at me. Oh my goodness. Yes, we should able to do this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get so slow. I'm gonna get so slow, please. Come on, slide. Oh my goodness, stop. Come on. Come on. 54. You need to collect 54. Why is the clouds are pink? Exactly, because it's a heart. It's like a heart, okay. Okay, only got the heart. So for showing blood. Blood supplies. Okay, okay, and only got 56. Come on. We should might able to do this. Come on, we should able to. Stop! Always favorite. Come on, we should do this. Come on, speed run. 758. Come on. Come on. 59. Come on. Do not able. Come on. Come on, we should be only got 6. Come on, 61. Come on, go! Come on, stage 62. Go! Go, 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 please. You should might able to do this. Come on. 3. Come on. Oh my gosh. They disappear stairs. If they touch it, they will disappear. And you fall. And you fall, I guess. Okay. Why there are so many lasers in this game? This game is called Heart of Beast. So why there's a ladder? The pink ladder, I guess. And a pink bridge. And we got 65. Come on. Come on. We should be able to do this. Oh my god. Stop it. It's a very long time. Let me see this 50. Oh, 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 oh. Damn, it's still gotta be a very long time. I'm not able to do this, guys. Do not rest at all. Try this in mobile. Okay. No, this could be the long obby. No, no! Come on. 9, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 1. No, this is a very long time. No. 31, 32, 32, 32. This could be the long obby. Oh my god. Come on. 32. Come on, go. 33. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on. Bro, this is the long obby. This is the long obby in the world. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh my goodness, this could be the long obby in the world, guys. So anyways, guys. Why always falling, guys? Okay. What? Oh, 74, 74. Okay. What the freak? What just happened? GG! GG only got 75. They have GG. Okay, so anyways, guys, I like this game. Okay, I know good job. Very high. So I like. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Anyways, guys, that is good. I like this game. So this game is called the Heart of It. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to jump, and I'm going to run faster. I'm going to run very fast now. Also, guys, I like this game. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you have to subscribe to my channel. Also, guys, don't share for this channel. So anyways, guys, subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys. So goodbye.